Hello there. Today on Mental Detox with Dr. May, I will be speaking on grounding techniques. Ground, like something that will ground you, right? After a trauma, it's normal to experience flashbacks, anxiety, and other uncomfortable symptoms. Grounding techniques help control these symptoms by turning attention away from thoughts, memories, or worries and refocusing on the present moment. By these grounding techniques, I mean the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 technique. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Using the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 technique, you purposely take in the details of your surroundings using each of your senses. Strike to notice small details that your mind will usually tune off, such as distant sound or the texture of an ordinary object. What we mean by the sensory modalities, we're talking about the eyes, the nose, the ears, the hands, and the tongue. What are 5 things you can see when we talk about 5? Look for small details such as the pattern on the ceiling, the way the light reflects off a surface, or an object you never notice. So right here, what are the 5 things I can see? I can see the laptop, I can see the camera, I can see the fan, I can see the table, I can see the chair, I can see so many things. So 5 things you can see around you. That's what, and of course using the eyes. Then 4, what are 4 things you can feel? 4 things you can feel with your hands. Notice the sensation of clothing on your body, the sun on your skin, or the feeling of the chair you are sitting on. Pick up an object and examine its weight, just like this. The weight, the texture, which is squares, you can see this, the shape and the how it is, but the texture is squares, and other physical qualities. So sometimes people will say, I'm in a place where I can't touch things. What you are wearing alone, you can touch a lot of things. I can touch my earring, I can touch my turban, I can touch my shirt. Just ensure 4 things you can touch. Then 3, what are 3 things you can hear? Using the ears now. Pay special attention to the sounds your mind has tuned out, such as ticking of the clock, distant traffic, or trees blowing in the wind. So in case you're in a place where you think, I may not be able to hear this sound, imagine them mentally. That is a good way for you to also have those 3 things you can hear. Then 2, what are 2 things you can smell? Try to notice smells in the air around you, like an air freshener or a freshly mown grass. You may also look around for something that has a scent, such as flower or an unlit candle. For example, this is perfume. See, it's exactly what we're talking about. It may be easier for ladies because they always have things in their handbag, but does it mean, somebody's perfume, that's something you can perceive. We're not talking about body odor. I know we don't even want to go there, but 2 things you can perceive. Last but not the least, 1 thing you can taste. I know sometimes some people would like, am I going to, there's nothing around me I can taste. For me, I have something. Check around, ask somebody around. Your colleague, your friend, somebody in the office, or somebody around you may just have something you can taste. I have sweet here, so I'm going to just like 1 thing I can taste. Carry gum, candy, or small snacks for this step. Pop 1 in your mouth, or you again, and focus your attention closely on the flavor. Savor it. So Let's reiterate again. If 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, grounding techniques. 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can perceive or smell, and 1 thing you can taste. Remember, whatever you do is progress, not perfection.